Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a TikTok tutorial on how to turn on AI dubbing. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is from your profile page, just go ahead and click on these three white lines on the top right corner of your screen. Slide over into the settings and privacy tab. And then from here, if you scroll down, um, there should be something called language that pops up right here, but on my phone there isn't. So I wonder if it would be in accessibility. I guess it is. So what you're going to want to do is go to accessibility, then go to content and just turn on your captions. And then whatever language you have your app set to, okay, the language tab is right here. It's right here for anybody wondering. It's in between the playback and the display. So we'll do language, and then whatever language you choose, it will automatically translate the posts. So then we'll just click on this right here. And then now the AI dubbing is on. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a TikTok tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.